Hello, this is Southern Roofing and Renovations. We're at address 221 Red Oak Road, Birmingham, Alabama 35206. Claim number 07477438870. All right, and we'll be doing a repair with a roofing snake. Okay, just a couple things to point out. There has been a previous repair attempt done, right? And it has damaged the shingles that were above that. Currently, all of those are ripped off. That's just something to keep in mind when we are attempting this repair. So this is the damaged shingle right here. And I will have to go 2 rows up to make sure that the nails are out of there, how they're supposed to be. Right. Some of these nails are nailed a little bit higher than they should. Right, just like a little bit. Right there. All these tabs are already loose. And as you can see from the state of the entire slope, there is a lot of damage up here currently. I will begin the repair. There are a few nail pops. I'm just gonna put those back in. Okay. I will be using a Owens Corning Supreme 3 tab for this repair. It is a little bit of a larger shingle than currently is on the roof. I'll try to match it up as best as I can to where it's supposed to go. Apparently the nail does not want to cooperate and go in. I'm trying to get it in there, now lifting up the shingle. Use a different nail. start. As you can see, me just barely manipulating the shingles has already created creasing when you cross. Right? And you can see where the damage is on the bottom of the shingles, where the nails, or where the root snake was when I put the nails in there. Right? Creasing. And kind of running across all the way. All those shingles. Yeah. Alright, and everywhere I put the nails in, you see some indentions in every spot where I had those nails put in. Alright, and you can see at the bottom of the shingles where they were getting pretty destroyed by the roofing snake. Alright. I'll also, on this test square, some hard swiping to show that hard swiping does not create any creasing. There is a wind crease shingle right here currently. All right, I already marked it, but everything else should be okay. All right, this shows that this roof does not crease just by swiping. All right, so in Southern Roofing and Renovation's professional opinion, this roof receives a fail for a repair attempt. All right, we will upload this video to claims.